Elmasonic xtra is a robust and effective ultrasonic cleaner, developed specifically to solve demanding cleaning applications. It features lockable wheels, drain valve, and many functions available on the Ergonomic operating panel. A guardrail protects the heating elements. After adding the correct Elma cleaner, the unit can be used. The operating panel has a simple layout, and it's easy to adjust time and temperature and use the many functions. Elmasonic xtra is equipped with sweep technology and Elma's multi-frequency technology. This means you can select between 25 and 45 kHz ultrasonics, and you can also use the function pulse that enhances ultrasonic effects. By activating dynamic mode, the unit automatically switches between normal sweep ultrasonics and pulse ultrasonics. Elmasonic xtra is delivered in sizes from 30 to 250 liters. Extra robust and extra cleaning performance for heavy-duty applications.